Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partial invoice on QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to manage your invoicing is essential for maintaining cash flow and keeping your business running smoothly, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into QuickBooks Online. If you're not already logged in, head over to the QuickBooks Online login page and click on the Sign In option next. Select QuickBooks Online from the Login menu, then carefully type in your email and password and click Continue to access your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner of your QuickBooks homepage. In the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings on the left-hand side. Click on Sales to configure all settings related to your invoices and sales preferences. Scroll down until you find the Progress Invoicing section. This is crucial for partial invoicing as it allows you to bill incrementally over time for a project or task. Turn on the Progress Invoicing option, then click Save to apply your changes. After saving, click Done to exit the Settings menu. Return to your QuickBooks homepage and click the New button at the top left corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Invoice to start creating a new invoice. On the invoice creation page, the first step is to add your customer. Click into the customer field. Select the customer from the drop-down list or type their name to find it quickly. Then click Add to include them in the invoice. Next, adjust the payment amount to specify the partial amount you're billing. For example, if the total project is $10,000 and you want to bill for 25% of the work completed, enter $2,500. Once you've entered the rate, click Save at the bottom of the invoice to ensure all your input is recorded correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a partial invoice on QuickBooks Online. The process might seem complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes routine. Partial invoices are a fantastic way to earn revenue incrementally and ensure steady cash flow, especially for long-term projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials. Happy bookkeeping.